In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Minimum Order Quantity Tutorial, how to set up a MOQ in minutes. We'll walk through installing a trusted app, connecting it to your theme, syncing your store data, and opening the exact places where you'll create and manage your minimum order rules. Keep Shopify open and follow along. Start in your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, open the left sidebar so you're on Home, then head into Apps. In the Apps area, use the search to find new apps and type OC Quantity. From the results, select OC Order Limits Quantity Break. This takes you to the app's listing. On the listing page, click to add the app. Shopify may show a couple of confirmation screens such as Add App or Install and a Permissions page. Continue by clicking Install and confirming any prompts until the installation completes. When you're done, return to your admin's apps list and open the newly installed app, which appears as OC Quantity Breaks and Limit. Inside the app, the first thing to do is connect it to your theme so the rules can display on your storefront. Click Theme Extension, then open App Block. This places the app's block into your theme so product pages can show quantity messages and validations. If your theme editor opens, simply ensure the block is present. You can fine-tune placement later. Next, review your plan so you understand any feature limits or trial details, then go into the Setup Guide. You may see the guide in a couple of spots. Open it until you reach the overview. In the overview screen, click Synchronize Data to App. This pulls your products, variants, and collections into the app so rules can target them accurately. Let the sync finish before moving on. Bigger catalogs can take a moment. Now open the Limit Purchase area. You'll see three key places where rules live. Click Limit Product to focus on single products or specific variants. This is great for setting a unique minimum on a bestseller. Click Limit Collection to apply consistent minimums to entire groups, like wholesale or bulky items, without repeating work product by product. Finally, click Limit Order to control cart-level behavior, such as enforcing a minimum total quantity across the entire order. At this point, you've installed the app, connected its theme block, synchronized your catalog, and navigated to the exact tabs you'll use to apply minimums. A quick tip: after you create any rule, test it on your storefront in an incognito window to see it exactly as customers do, and keep your theme block enabled so validation appears consistently. That's all you need to get your minimum order quantity flow